spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts in libraries and train rooms. You will find links to more information about each of the following products in the video description. I hope all my US viewers had a festive end of summer celebration, and now it's time to look forward to cooler evenings working on the railroad. This week's episode is once again brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Isotip Tools. Experience the freedom of cordless rechargeable soldering with the Isotip Model 8000 Power Pro Advanced Soldering Kit. Follow the links in the video description to get yours today. Lionel Trains has announced the reissues of the classic Mickey and Minnie Mouse handcar will be arriving in authorized Lionel dealers later this month. These handcars recreate the original Depression-era classics, complete with a genuine clockwork motor and 8 pieces of 2-reel O27 track. The handcar sets retail for $199.99. Lionel Trains, in conjunction with the Lionel Collectors Club of America and Richard Petty, announced the new limited edition Richard Petty Lion Chief 2.0 Plus Berkshire locomotive. The locomotive is an exclusive for LCCA members and will retail for $749.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an uncatalogued production of the premier O-scale 40-foot AAR boxcar in distinctive Santa Fe livery for MTH authorized dealer Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia. The boxcars will be available in 2 unique car numbers in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival date of December 2023. The early order price is $74.95 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-scale Elgin, Joliet, and Eastern 060 Imperial USRA steam switcher for exclusive distribution by Berwyn's Toy Trains. The locomotive will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival date of November 2023. The early order price is $479.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2023 Rail King O-Gauge 4-bay cylindrical hopper car in unique Illinois Central, New York Central, Pioneer Seeds, Union Pacific, and Bangor and Aroostook liveries this winter. Each of these offerings is limited in production and expected to begin shipping to MTH dealers in February 2024. The expected retail price for these cars is $69.95 each. MTH will also be releasing the 2023 Premier O-Scale and Rail King O-Gauge flat car with 3 Willys transport vehicles in several U.S. Army liveries this winter. Each of these offerings is limited in production and is expected to begin shipping to MTH dealers in February 2024. The Premier cars are expected to retail for $99.95 each, or $369.95 for a 4-pack. The Rail King for $89.95 each, or $329.95 for a 4-pack. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-scale Long Island 060 Imperial steam switcher for Train World of Brooklyn, New York. The switcher will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in October 2023. The early order price is $499.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an uncatalogued production of the Rail King O-scale RSD5 diesel in Utah Railway livery for exclusive distribution by MTH authorized dealer Public Delivery Track. The locomotives will be available in 2 cab numbers and are limited in production. They are available for order on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival date of October 2023. The early order price is $379.95 plus freight. ReadyMade Trains has announced the release of 22 new road names of their Trainmaster Premium woodchip cars this winter. The cars retail for $29.95 each. Follow the link in the video description for road names and availability. And on those upcoming fall evenings, how about enjoying your hot cocoa, apple cider, or just your coffee in one of these and other unique railroad-themed coffee mugs? The perfect gift for the railroader on your gift list. Finally, don't forget to check out the Model 8000 Pro Power soldering tool from our friends at Isotip. the perfect soldering tool for your workbench. Remember, this channel receives a small commission from qualifying purchases generated from these links, so you get the product you want and you support our channel at the same time. That's all for this week. Watch for our latest long-form video going live this Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for watching.